Hi guys, welcome to another web development tutorial. This tutorial has the goal to talk about unordered list in HTML5. Unordered list has to start with UL tag. As you can see, it contains a open tag and a closed tag. Inside this UL element, you have to place each items which will be surrounded by li tag. So let's do so. I'm going to write the first item using this li tag. As you can see, this li element has also two tags, a open and a closed tag. I'm going to write item 1. I'm going to use again this li tag for another item, for this item 2. So for each item you have to use this li tag. I'm going to write another item, so I'm going to use another li tag, item 3. Also, you can build a sublist or a nested list. To do so, you have to use again this tag ul, and within ul element, inside this open and closed tag of ul, you have to use again this li element for each item of sub list. Yeah, for example, I'm going to write here item 2.1. I'm going to use again li tag for another item of this sub list. Item, let it be item 2.2. So here you go. Now if you have a look over on the left side on this web page, you can see how an unordered list looks like. If we have here these bullet points, which actually are black circles, as you can see, and we can say that an unordered list actually is a bullet points list. Also, you can notice that the sublist changes its bullet point. We have here a empty bullet point, empty circles for this sub list, as you can notice. So that's all about unordered list. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials and maybe to follow this web development series. Thank you. See you next time.